Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a tomato while we learn Spanish. This is a very easy drawing. Easy in Spanish is fácil. These are the leaves, which in Spanish is hoja. Let's go with the tomato, that in Spanish is said tomate. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!